Nasıl ba?
Coming all the way here to Baguio, kahit na tulad ng sabi ng lahat, may bagyo to celebrate us and with us. We truly appreciate you being here, and we are incredibly blessed to have you here with us today. Kahit na, again, as I said, despite the bad weather, the super typhoon, you still went here for us. And we're truly grateful that everybody got here safe and you were able to push through with everything. Kaya thank you, Lord, for granting us this wonderful day and these wonderful people to celebrate it with. Maraming salamat po. And also to Miss Amanda Terol, to Miss Amanda Terol's team, thank you for putting everything together. You've done such an amazing job. And of course, all of our suppliers, thank you for being here. You're all a part of our story. And of course, Sir Bob and Jaja, thank you so much for capturing the best moments. Talagang we will truly look back to it every time that we want to remember this day. And I just really want to thank everyone for being here tonight. And I hope we enjoy the rest of the night. Alam ko late na, but the night is young. And yeah, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed everything that we prepared for you. And please stay here going back to Manila. Yun lang po. Thank you so much.
Of course, first and foremost, I want to thank my wife for being on top of everything. She's good about my wife. I have to say, thank you for being on top of the wedding. Miss Amanda Turol, as you said, Sir Bob, it was such an experience. Jaja, it was an experience. Everyone who braved the storm for us, we feel so much love today. The fact that you guys went here, we don't need any gifts. That itself is a gift. You're all here, you're all present, you're all doubting that everyone will be able to come here. But you proved us wrong, you showed us love, you shared us love, you celebrated today with us, you celebrated us today. So with that, a round warm of applause for everyone. You're actually making it here in this week, wanting to celebrate with us. Again, to our parents, Tita Verian, to Teddy, my dad, my mom, of course, thank you so much for all the support from day one. For everything, not only to mention all the things, the bad things that have happened, but we're very thankful that you've always supported us, to our siblings, to our family, the whole entire family, Mendoza family, Kapide, everyone. We're really thankful for all the presents. Our friends, we're very much thankful for your presence. And again, the night is young. I won't make this long, because we really want to be able to talk to you guys, celebrate the night, celebrate us, celebrate you making it here. And again, thank you so much from me and my wife for everything. I'm losing how the words to say. Let's just celebrate. Thank you.
sinasabi, Sylvia, matutupad na din ang pangarap natin na magbibida ka sa pelikula. Bida ka na. Tingnan ko sa Regal Films at nag-usap ko si Mother Lily Monteverde at magsushooting ka na ng launching movie mo at kasama mo si Aga Mula at Richard Gomez bilang mga lead men. 1990. Pagkarinig ko sa balitang yon, ang saya-saya ko. Pero kasabay noon ang pangangamba dahil may 2 months na bata sa sinapunan. Tahimik lang ako na pinapanood si Pitake habang masayang-masaya siya nagkikwento. Hindi ko makuhang sabihin sa kanya na buntis ako. Pagkaalis ni Tita A, nag-isip ako, sino ang pipiliin ko? Ang batang dinadala ko o ang launching movie ngayon? Bata o kasikatan? Pero hindi ako nagdalawang isip na yung batang nasa sinukunan ko, pipiliin ko. Kapalit ng pangarap ko. At ang batang yon ay ikaw yung Arjo. Arjo na, makaulit pa ng sitwasyon na yon. Ikaw at ikaw pa din ang pipiliin ko. At anak, katipid, hanggang sa oras na to, wala akong pagsisisi sa naging desisyon ko yun. Pero sadyang mapagpala ang Diyos. After 22 years, pinasok ulit ang industriya ko. Ang pag-aartista. Nag-artista ka na din. Ang tanging dasal ko sa Diyos, sana po, bigyan mo ng konting galing, kahit konti lang, sa pag-arte ng anak ko. Pero higit pa sa hiling ko ang binigay niya sa Diyos pag-arte. At hindi lang yun. Hindi lang yun ang binigay niya sa akin. May bonus pa. Pinawalang launching movie noong 1990 dahil pinili kita. Ibinalik sa akin ng Diyos yun. But this time, hindi mo. Kundi isang teleserye na pagbibidahan ko sa ABS-CBN. One of the greatest love. At after ng ipagibidang yun, another bonus. Panibagong teleserye ulit na pagbibidahan na nating dalawa bilang mag-ina. Ang Diyos na naman, punong-puno ng sorpresa. Kaya pala, napakadali para sa akin ay tawagin. Kaya pala nangyari lahat ng yun. And thank you for loving Arjo. Thank you so much. Sobra kita. Hayaan mo mong mahalin daw itong umiinan. Hindi kita mamahalin bilang daughter niyo. Mamahalin kita bilang tunay na anak. Mahalin, alagaan, proteksyonan niyo ang isang isahang buhay. Siliado ka kami. Mrs. Icomeng Day Mendoza at Tiny ka na. Welcome to our big, crazy, happy family. You will surely enjoy the ride because you're now one of us. Now it's official. I can now call you my daughter. We love you, Mingay and Arjo. Congratulations, mga anak, and enjoy your life together.
Nagbigay din ng mensahe ang daddy ni Arjo na si Art Atayte.
Always try to be loyal and honest to each other. And most importantly, try to be as forgiving to each other as possible. Because again, nobody is perfect in this world. Huwag masyado seloso at selosa. Kidding aside, I really am looking forward to a very positive and bright future for you guys. Despite the fact that most of the time, sa showbiz, na-apekto ang career pag kinasal ng celebrity. When one opportunity closes, another may always come. So just keep being positive and always try to support each other in a positive way. In short, when your wife says she wants to do this or do that, and you think it's not a good decision, better discuss it with her right away. And this goes both ways. Support each other's career and future. This is very important. I would like to welcome to the family my
the way here to Baguio, kahit na tulad ng sabi ng lahat.
What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always